about data types in Python. Python supports various data types: numeric types, sequence type, mapping type, set type, boolean type, and none type. So the numeric types include integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Sequence type include strings, list, and tuples. Mapping types include dictionary. Set type include set, which is the which is the changeable version, and it also has an immutable version, which is an unchangeable version, which is of set, which is known as frozen set. We're also having true or false, which is boolean type. In none type, we are having none, which is when we don't want to assign any specific value to a variable, we can just type none. That means now we are not assigning any value to the variable. After that, we learned about a function, the type in brackets function, which determine the type of variable or a value. So the type in brackets function will determine which type of value is stored in the variable.